Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Topstep promo codes. If you're looking to save money on your Topstep subscription or trading challenge, here's how to find and use promo codes. Step 1 is to go to topstep.com and scroll to the bottom of the homepage. So sometimes they feature seasonal or limited offers there. Step 2, open a new tab and search Topstep promo code plus the month or year on Google. And check the trusted coupon sites like Retail Me Not, Coupon Birds, or even Reddit. Step 3. Once you find the code, go back to the top step, sign up or checkout page. Enter the promo code where it says apply code and click to apply. Step 4. If valid, you'll see a discount applied immediately. If not, try a different one and refresh the page. So that's how to get Topstep promo codes fast and safely. Thanks for watching.